Hi guys, welcome to V Crafts. I am Vartika and I accidentally broke this beautiful piece of earring of mine yesterday. See. So in this particular video, I will be showing you how to repair your own piece of earring. For this, you will be requiring your broken piece of earring, of course. A ear hook without the ball and the spring. And one plier. So let's get started. We will take the ear hook and from this end I will be inserting it in the middle hole of this earring. See. So the back loop is in front and the ear hook is gone behind. To fix it, we will open this loop a bit, insert it in the gap, and then we lock it. Press it nice and tight against